Welcome to 2308 at 161 Clarence Street, Sydney. My name is Ivan Gunawan from Double 8 International, and I would like to show you this beautiful and luxurious 2-bedroom plus MPR with 2 bathrooms and 1 single car space in the heart of Sydney City. Come on down, let's have a look. This luxury apartment is located in the heart of prestige Sydney CBD. 4 minutes walk, you'll be arriving at the Wynyard train station and the light rail. 5 minutes, straight away to KTV Town Hall and the Darling Harbour. 7 minutes walk to Martin Place, Hyde Park, Centre Point Tower and the Westfield Pitt Street Mall underneath. And only 15 minutes walk to the most iconic Sydney Opera House. It is the centre of Australia, the place where you want to live. Luxury kitchen is what you will get in this apartment. 40 new mild seasoned bread stove. Pantry there, top of drawers again. All appliances come with these Miele appliances, integrated dishwasher, flash flashback, and adaptive range for your cooking. One of the best features of this apartment is this multi-purpose room. You can do whatever you want with it. Make it as your work from home study room or your third bedroom. In addition to this apartment, it has 5-star hotel facilities, indoor heated pool, spa, gym and a very friendly concierge. Rooftop sky garden with barbecue area.